Hello students. Okay, today our chapter number 3, the topic is trigonometric functions of the half angles. We already learned to the full angles formula, all the theorems, right? But today we discuss these are the half angles. Sometimes using the maximum sums, so you apply this. Okay, it's very easily, so that's why I reasoned. Okay, we see some theorems. Okay, so first all x belongs to R. We have, okay, sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay, 1 minus cos x, that means 2 sin square x by 2, and 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2, right? So let's see the proof, right? Okay, so first that the sin x is equal to, so sin x is equal to, can we return as a sin x is equal to x by 2 plus x by 2, right? Clear? Can we return? Okay. So what is the formula for this? So this is the x and this is the y. So sin x plus y means sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So sin x into cos y plus cos x and sin, okay, sin y. Then both are here, the x by 2, right? So how many times? 2 times sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Okay, so it is a sin x. So clear? So this is the formula. The first formula is already seen that. Okay, 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Understand? Clear? So this formula comes from the sin 2x. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x, right? Angle half. Then sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Understand? Okay. Now the result 2 here. So result 2, that means, okay, so result 2, that means here cos x is equal to, cos x has 1 minus cos x here. Written as a 1 minus cos x. Okay, so cos x is written as a cos x. Cos result has x by 2 plus x by 2, right? Cos x by 2, x by 2 written. Okay. So now cos x plus y. So formula is a cos x by 2 into cos y x by 2 plus or minus into sin x by 2 into sin x by 2. Understand? Okay. Now simple, here the cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. So our result is equal to 1 minus cos x. Result is a 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2. What is 2 sin square x by 2? Okay. So here the cos x is equal to cos square x, that with the 1 minus sin square x by 2. Okay. Can we return cos square in the place of cos square? 1 minus sin square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, right? So therefore cos x is equal to 1 minus sin square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Understand? Okay. Now here the cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. How much? 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Okay, inside, so 2 sin square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x. Understand? With this written 1 minus cos x, right? So simple. So therefore 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2, right? This also the this result also come from the, oh yes, 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x by sin square x. Clear? Okay. Now the result number 3. So result 3, that means here. So result 3 here 1 plus cos x. Okay. So simply we written again. Okay. So first of for solution of 3 here again the simple cos x. Can we written as simple form of cos x by 2 plus x by 2. Understand? So again cos x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 into sin x by 2. So you can simply written cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Got it? Okay. So cos square x by 2 minus, can we written here 1 minus cos square x by 2. Understand? Sin square is equal to. Okay. Now just being in 2 steps and we got the answer. So now here cos x is equal to cos square x by 2 minus 1 minus plus cos square x by 2. So here cos x inside, so plus 1 is equal to 2 times cos square x by 2. So simply we got the result, right? 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. So clear? Okay. Any doubt? No. So it simply is the result for the half angles. Clear? Similarly, the theorem number 2 हम लोग ऐसे ही सॉल्व करेंगे, राइट बच्चों? ओके. चलो तो देख लेते हैं उसी के साथ नंबर 2 थियरम्स. तो नंबर 2 थियरम्स हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. एक ही मिनट, तो साथ साथ में हो जाए हमारे लिए. ओके. फॉर x बिलोंग्स टू r वी हैव, ऐसी 2 फॉर्मूला है जो आपको यहाँ पे रिजल्ट के तौर पे हमें सॉल्व करनी है. चलो कर देते. इसमें क्या है, हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है फर्स्ट इसे प्रूव करने के लिए. sin x इज इक्वल टू 2 tan x by 2 अपॉन 1 माइनस tan square x by 2. नंबर 2. ओके. द सेकंड फॉर्मूला इज इक्वल टू cos x इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस tan square x by 2 अपॉन 1 प्लस tan square x by 2. so क्लियर? cos x के तौर पे हम लोग इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, राइट? चलो देख लो. ऑल फॉर्मूला कम फ्रॉम द फुल एंगल्स. अंडरस्टैंड? राइट? अंडरस्टैंड? ओके. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ दैट इन नंबर 2 थियरम्स स्टार्टिंग कैसे करेंगे बोलो. sin x है आपके पास, इसी का आपको यूज करना है यहाँ पे और कुछ नहीं. तो ऐसे लिख सकते हो. अभी आपने प्रूव किया रिजल्ट. sin x इज इक्वल टू 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, राइट? क्लियर बच्चों? ओके. अब ध्यान से देखो, आपके पास एक चीज क्लियर है. अपॉन में 1 है तो मैं उसकी जगह पे लिख सकता हूँ 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 अपॉन आइडेंटिटी लिख सकता हूँ sin square x by 2 into cos square x by 2, राइट? sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. चलो क्लियर? अंडरस्टैंड? तो यहाँ पे ये कर दिया हमने. सो आप लिख सकते हो हियर sin x इज इक्वल टू, अब देखो डिवाइड बाय बोथ 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 अपॉन cos square x by 2 अपॉन sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 upon cos square x by 2, right? So here the numerator and denominator both divide by cos square x by 2. So therefore sin x, you got the result. Okay. So result is a cos cut, right? 1. So 2 sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2, right? Upon 1 is cancels, is simple, 1 plus sin upon cos. So here मैं पहले 1 लिख देता हूँ plus sin square x by 2 upon cos square x by 2. So therefore here you got the result sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus sin by cos, that means the tan square x by 2. So sin x is equal to, you can return 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. क्लियर बच्चों? ओके, समझ में आ गया, राइट? ओके, तो चलो सेकंड रिजल्ट पे चलते हैं. cos x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 and 1 plus tan square x by 2. तो मुझे बताओ बच्चों, cos x की जगह पे क्या लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि आपने अभी प्रीवियस थियरम में प्रूव करके दिया है, राइट? तो चलो रिजल्ट 2 के लिए प्रूफ 2. ओके, प्रूफ 2. चलो बोलो. तो सिंपल है, cos x is equal to आप लिख सकते हो cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. यहाँ पर भी नीचे 1 है, हम लिख सकते हैं तो cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 upon, राइट? यहाँ पे प्लस है तो माइनस है, सॉरी, तो cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2, राइट? आइडेंटिटी रख दी बच्चों हमने यहाँ पे. अब देखो, अगर आइडेंटिटी रख दी है तो अब इसका सिंप्लीफाई भी कर देते हैं ऐसे ही. So now it's very simple to this cos x. So cos x is equal to, both the divide by, so cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 upon cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2, right? You divide this, numerator and denominator both, upon cos square x by 2 upon cos square x by 2. Clear? So you got the result 1 minus sin square x by 2 upon cos square x by 2. Similarly, again got 1 plus sin square x by 2 upon cos square x by 2, right? Numerator and denominator both divided by cos square x again. So cos x is equal to sin by cos, that will tan, so tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus again tan square x by 2. So we got the result, right? Clear of the Buddha theorem? You understand this? Okay, it's very easy because we use in the now the questions, right? So the our miscellaneous exercise के अंदर question number 8, 9, 10 है, all depends on these formulas. Clear? Okay. ओके, चलो तो अब हम सॉल्व करेंगे एनसीईआरटी मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज 8, 9 एंड 10 क्वेश्चंस, राइट बच्चों? ओके, तो सॉल्व नंबर 1 पढ़ लो. tan x is equal to minus 4 by 3, x lies in the second quadrant. This very important things. ओके, तो क्यों? बट ये तो बहुत आसान है, आप कहोगे, बट आपको याद रखना है कि यहाँ पे आपको हाफ एंगल्स पॉइंट आउट करना है. तो यू ऑलरेडी सॉल्व दिस ऑल थियरम्स. 1 and 2. So now question number 8. Let's start solve this. Tan x is equal to minus 4 by 3 and x lies in second quadrant. The second quadrant tan is always negative, right? Always negative, right? Okay. So लिख सकते हो x in quadrant 2. Quadrant 2, right? Now, so I need, you know that all the equations convert into the cos x by 2 या cos x, right? Need cos x. Yeah? Okay. So I need cos x, so we get this thing. So x square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. Understand? Right? Okay. So 1 plus 10 minus 4 by 3 whole square. So 1 plus 16 by 9 is equal to 25 by 9. So therefore sec x is equal to plus minus 5 by 3. So again cos x is equal to plus minus 3 by 5. So x lies in second quadrant, is already given that. So therefore cos x is equal to, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में cos क्या होता है? नेगेटिव, बिकॉज x in quadrant 2, right? Okay. Now also you can return second quadrant मतलब pi by 2 less than x less than pi, but we need the half angles. We need half angles. So pi by 4 less than x by 2 and less than pi by 2. So here x by 2 lies in, okay, in a first quadrant. Okay, first quadrant, right? In first quadrant, sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2, all positive. Okay, all positive because in first quadrant. Understand? All positive, okay, in a first quadrant normally. Now give the solutions of this. So first clear. Let's start first of the cos x. So you, what is the formula for? आपने अभी पढ़ा था कि 2 cos square x by 2. क्या पढ़ा था? 2 cos square x by 2. मैं अभी आपके लिए एक फॉर्मूला लिखता हूँ. चलो, तो लिखा था आपने 1 plus cos x. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, आपके पास खाली cos x है. सो इधर आप ऐसा लिख सकते हो कि cos x by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos x by 2. Okay, so cos x by 2 is equal to under root of 1 plus cos x and by 2. Understand? You apply this formula at direct. Understand? आपको ऐसा नहीं लगे कि डायरेक्ट कैसे आए. So you can write here for cos x. Okay. So सबसे पहले first cos x by 2, right, is equal to under root of 1 plus cos x and by 2, right? Okay, so put the formulas. So is equal to under root of 1 cos x क्या था हमारा? minus 3 by 5. So you put here minus 3 by 5 by 2 is equal to under root of 3 minus, so 2 by 5 and by 2. So 2 cut, you got the 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 is equal to 1 upon under root 5 multiply by root 5 and root 5. So is equal to क्या बचेगा आपके पास? under root 5 and by 5. So you got the cos x by 2. Now cos x by 2 in first quadrant. So first quadrant all are positive. Understand? Okay. Now therefore sin x by 2 is equal to under root of 1 minus cos x by cos x and by 2. Understand? Put the value, same things, students. Okay, so you put here same things, sin x by 2, the right. So under root of 1 minus sin. Okay, so we need sin. Okay, so here we not got it. So first find out the sin x. So sin x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Okay, and under root this. Okay, so under root of 1 minus, okay, 3 minus 3 minus plus, so 9 by 25. So simply 16 by 25. We got the 4 by 5. Why positive? Because x lies in the second quadrant. Second quadrant sign positive. So your sin x is equal to 4 by 5. You put here 4 by 5, right, and by 2. Okay, so 1 by 5 by 2 in under root. So 1 upon under root 10 is your answer. Sin x by 2. Positive or negative? So positive. 1 upon under root 10. I think. Right? So 5 by 2. Because 2. So 5 by 10. अब हम क्या करेंगे 10x by 2 के लिए? यहाँ पे. Check this. So sin is equal to normally 2 upon root क्या आ जाएगा? 2 upon root 5. हम लोग अगर मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो, ओके, अगर 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे अंडर रूट है तो चलो साइन कितना आएगा फिर से एक बार चेक कर लो. ओके, आपके पास 4 रूट 5 आ गया ना? कितना आ गया? 4 रूट 5. तो आंसर आएगा, एक बार फिर से चेक कर लो. यहाँ पे cos x, सॉरी यहाँ पे तो cos x ही करना है हमें. तो एक बार फिर से चेक कर लेते हैं बच्चों. यहाँ पे इज इक्वल टू cos की जरूरत है ना, तो यहाँ पे 1 माइनस प्लस 3 by 5 and by 2 5 अल्टीमेटली. तो 5 plus 3 8 हुआ. इंटू 2 इंटू 5, वो भी रूट में आ गया, आपने कट कर दिया, अंडर रूट 4/5 आ गया, पूरा अंडर रूट इज इक्वल टू 2 अपॉन अंडर रूट 5 एज इट इज रखते हैं। ओके, तो ये क्या आ गया, तो साइन एक्स बाई टू क्या आ गया आपका, साइन एक्स बाई टू। मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहो तो मैं कर सकता हूँ, साइन एक्स बाई टू रूट 5 से करूँ तो ऊपर अल्टीमेटली नीचे 5 हो जाएगा। ओके, इसी की तरह कहाँ हो गया, कॉस की तरह 5 रूट 5, अंडरस्टैंड। ओके, तो चलो मान लो कि मैंने यहाँ पे रूट 5/√5 कर दिया, वी गॉट द 2 अपॉन अंडर रूट 5/5, दिस इज अवर आंसर। पर साइन कॉस आ गया तो tan तो मिल ही जाएगा, राइट। तो tan क्या होगा बच्चों, यहाँ पे इसकी जरूरत नहीं है। ओके, तो tan here tan x/2 is equal to, you written here sin x/2 upon cos x/2. You have the values, both are positive. 2 under root 5/5 upon cos x is equal to root 5/5. 5 cancel, root 5 cancel, you got 2. Okay, tan x/2 in which quadrant? Okay, so again first quadrant positive values. So clear, understand this. Now the question number 9. Now question 9. The 9th question, cos x is equal to -1/3. Okay, x lies in, okay, the second quadrant. Now is already given that, sorry, in third quadrant. In a third quadrant. So third में क्या होता है, all STC. Okay, so cos is also negative. Okay, so cos is already here. So now cos x is equal to minus x is right. And then after we need cos x की जरूरत थी, cos x हमारे पास है. So the third quadrant, that means the pi less than x less than 3π/2. Right? So we need the x/2 angles, half angles. So π/2 less than x/2 less than 3π/4. चलो तो π/2 से लेके 3π/2, right? So which quadrant x/2 lies in? बताओ, x/2 lies in which quadrant? Second. Understand, the second में cos negative, in second quadrant cos negative, right? Okay, so here x/2 इतना लिखना जरूरी है, lies in, okay, second quadrant बच्चों, कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में है, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट, राइट। चलो, तो सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में है तो सीधी बात है, cos x आप लिख सकते हो सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट. सो sin x/2 इज पॉजिटिव सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में, एंड cos x/2 एंड tan x/2 are negative, right? Are negative. Understand? So already we find this. So this is very simple. So first start the sin x/2. So sin x/2, that means the direct formula 1 minus cos x by 2, right here. So the 1 minus cos x, so 1 minus minus plus cos x is equal to 1 by 3 and by 2 is equal to 3 plus 1 4. 4 upon 3 into 2, you cut it, so under root 2 by 3. Sin x is equal to root 2, okay, and root 3. Understand? Okay, you multiply this, rationalize. So 2 upon root 2 into root 3 under root 3 upon root 3, so root 6 by 3. Similarly, cos x by 2 is equal to under root of 1 plus cos x by 2 and by 2. So under root this, so 1 minus 1 by 3 upon 2. Clear? So we subtract from 3 minus 1, 2 by 3 here. So therefore cos x by 2 is equal to 3 by 3 minus 1, 2 by 3 and by 2 root. Okay, 2 cut under root 1 by 3. So 1 upon under root 3 multiply by root 3 into root 3. You got root 3 by 3. So clear? Root 3 by 3. So simple. But cos x by 2 in which quadrant? So this is the x by 2 lies in second quadrant negative. So this value is negative. So now tan x by 2. So tan x by 2 is equal to sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2. So sin x by 2, you got the value root 6 by 3, and this value minus under root 3 by 3. 3 cancel. You got root 6 minus upon root 3. So your answer is equal to minus root 2. So clear the sums? Understand? Okay. So it's very easily. Okay. You already solved this type of the questions. Now the last question is 10. Okay. So last question is 10. So the sin x is equal to 10 question. Sin x is equal to 1 by 4. X lies in second quadrant. Okay, sin है तो मुझे I need the cos. So cos x is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square x. So under root of 1 minus 1 by 16. So I got under root of 15 by 16. Okay, so plus minus root 15 by 4. Okay, but x in. Okay, x in which quadrant? Second. Right, so cos negative. So cos x is equal to minus under root 15 by 4. Understand? Okay, I got now. Second quadrant मतलब pi by 2 less than x and less than pi. But I need the x by 2. So pi by here. Pi by 4 less than x by 2 and less than pi by 2. So x by 2 lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. Right? So all angles are positive. So first need. So cos x by 2 is equal to under root. All x by 2 are positive. So cos x by 2 1 plus cos x and by 2. So is equal to under root of 1 minus under root 15 by 4 and by 2. Right? हमारे पास जो है 1 cos x is equal to 1 plus cos x root 15 है. समझ में आ गया? क्लियर? यहाँ पे. So now ओके, चलो यहाँ पे पूरा रब कर देते हैं, इसी का यूज करते हैं. Let's see that. So cos x by 2. So cos x by 2 is equal to under root of 4 minus root 15 and by 2 into take the LCM, that means 4. Right? Okay. So here we need 2. So multiply here the 2 and simplify this. 4 minus root 15 is equal to 2 by 2 by this. Okay. So simple. अब क्या करेंगे? हम यहाँ पे आपके पास आ गया 4 root 15. Okay. So ऊपर नीचे क्या करोगे आप? 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो तो हमारा काम थोड़ा और आसान हो जाए. तो 4 2 are 8 minus 2 under root 15. How much? 16. तो 16 that means ये तो 4 हो गया. अब आप जानते हो ये पहले वाली पैटर्न से, तो ये अल्टीमेटली क्या लिखोगे? 15 कैसे फैक्टर्स करो? 8 आए अंडर रूट 15. तो 5 and 3, 5 3 are 15, 5 plus 3 8. तो यहाँ पे बीच में माइनस है तो रूट 5 माइनस रूट 3. रूट 5 माइनस रूट 3 बाय 4. cos x by 2 in first quadrant, so positive. चलो क्लियर? एक छोटा सिंपल चीज आपको याद रखना था. Now sin x by 2. So sin x by 2, that means again formula 1 minus cos x by 2. So under root of this 1 minus cos x. Cos x क्या था? Minus. So minus minus plus root 15 by 4 by 2. So you got again 4 plus under root 15 by 8 is equal to, फिर से आप मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, प्लस 2 अंडर रूट 15 बाय 16. सो यू गॉट क्या गया 4 एंड अंडर रूट क्या आएगा 5 प्लस अंडर रूट 3. यू गॉट दिस मेथड्स ओके इन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम रेशनलाइज फॉर्म. राइट? अगर 18 है a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर वाली फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करके आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो. 8 के 15 के दो फैक्टर्स कितने के 5 3 जा, तो 5 प्लस 3 लिखा, फिर आपने लिखा यहाँ पे 2 अंडर रूट 15, तो रूट 15 मतलब रूट 5 का स्क्वायर रूट 3 स्क्वायर, a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर वाली पैटर्न आ गए। ओके, अगर कोई डाउट है तो इसमें सॉल्व हो जाएगा, यू ट्राई दिस। ओके, अब sin x by 2 भी पॉजिटिव है, तो यू गॉट दी tan x by 2, सो tan x by 2 दैट मीन्स sin x by 2 अपॉन cos x by 2, तो साइन की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई, सो रूट 5 प्लस अंडर रूट 3 अपॉन रूट 5 माइनस रूट 3। ओके, अगर रेशनलाइज करना चाहो तो कर सकते हो, तो इनटू क्या हो जाएगा रूट 5 प्लस रूट 3 अपॉन अगेन अंडर रूट 5 माइनस अंडर रूट 3, सो यू गॉट 5 माइनस 3 2, यहाँ पे रूट 5 प्लस अंडर रूट 3 होल स्क्वायर। सो नाउ यू गॉट द रिजल्ट फॉर root 5 square 5 plus root 3 square 3 plus 2 under root of 15 divide by 2, so 8 plus 2 under root 15 divide by 2, so you got the 4 plus under root 15, right? 2 common निकाल दिया and कट कर दिया, so this is the result of the tan x by 2. Understand? Clear? Okay, so it's the simple way to solve this all the equations. Okay, so this exercise is completed. Okay, not chapter completed, but the exercise is completed. Understand? Clear? Okay. In next lecture we discuss the last topic of this chapters. Okay, but very important in the additional exercise given in your the text last page of the last section of your textbook. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please put the comment in comment section and subscribe. Okay, bye.